Bullish Illuvium cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $279.48 and $527.91 by 2030. Market investigators accept ILV could reach $217.37 by 2025. Bearish Illuvium market cost expectation for 2023 is $49.69. Illuvium presentation. We will direct you through the present moment and long-haul cost expectations for Illuvium in this piece. From how ILV contrasts from other digital currencies in addressing most of the local blockchain difficulties to the Illuvium cost figure for the accompanying 10 years up to the present, we will cover everything in this video. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is one of the most current cryptogames to stir things up around town, yet financial backers are supported by its true capacity. Clients get the chance to investigate the science fiction planet Illuvium during the play to procure insight, where they might participate in battle with and accumulate NFT creatures. As they investigate various nations and battle down beasts known as Illuvials, players expect the job of a tracker. Clients might bring in cash in various ways, for example, through beating rivals in fights and winning competition prizes. Illuvium's ongoing interaction highlights are very like those of Axie Boundlessness, a well-known digital money game where players likewise procure particular NFT creatures. Illuvium stands separated, however, in view of its longing to make an AAA title or a top-of-the-line, top-quality game. To help it achieve this, there are principally two parts. Players might investigate and draw in with a shocking 3D climate in Illuvium's open-world mode. As per the white paper, for certain players, the allure of the game will venture to every part of the globe and get together Illuvials. This might be very productive, particularly on the off chance that a player is effective in catching areas of strength for something phenomenal. ILV, the Illuvium coin image, is the cerebrums of the Illuvium crypto game. Players are compensated with this Illuvium cryptographic money to continue to play and are urged to do as such. The Symbolics Administration highlights, which let proprietors to take part in the game's advancement through the DAO, are another component empowering financial backers to hold their speculation. Illuvium is additionally venturing into the DeFi world. ILV marked by financial backers can yield ranch benefits before they might be taken out. However, these are locked for a year. Moreover, holders will actually want to pull out SILV computerized coins in their place rapidly. These are utilized in the game and might be utilized to purchase things. It is significant to comprehend that in light of the fact that SILV isn't recorded on a blockchain and can't be removed, it's anything but a digital money. Illuvium specialized examination. In light of verifiable information, there is a nonpartisan standpoint at Illuvium costs in the short run. Our specialized pointers anticipate that Illuvium's 200-day SMA will decrease for the time being. The momentary 50-day SMA for Illuvium cost is additionally expected to be negative. Famous Force Oscillator. The general strength list may decide if a digital money is overbought or oversold. The ILV market is in an impartial situation for the present moment. Illuvium current cost. Illuvium is presently worth $62.11 USD. ILV has moved 4.72% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,255,267. Illuvium is presently positioned 190 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $121,369,970 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Illuvium to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Illuvium market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. Illuvium Value Forecast 2023. Illuvium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ILV cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $93.16. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $86.95 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ILV is supposed to have a base worth of $74.53. Illuvium Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Illuvium ILV cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ILV will before long outperform $155.27. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ILV's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ILV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $124.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $136.63. Illuvium Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $217.37 and ILV might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ILV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $198.74 and a low of $186.32 in 2025. Illuvium Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Illuvium effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the ILV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ILV will be green in 2026. The ILV is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $279.48, with a base cost of $248.43 and a typical cost of $260.85. Illuvium Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ILV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $322.95 by 2027, with a base cost of $310.53 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ILV has a greatest value worth of $341.59. Illuvium Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $385.06. On the off chance that ILV figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $403.69. Neglecting to accumulate the help ILV needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $372.64. Illuvium Value Expectation 2029. While ILV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $434.75 and a yearly cost close above $465.80 in 2029. Illuvium Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Illuvium will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $496.85 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $527.91, averaging out at $509.27. Illuvium Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ILV cost in 2031 is